Okay, so for this task, we will be making our blood smears. So we have our microhematocrit tube, our EDTA blood, and our slides. So we'll do the tabletop method first. First thing we want to do is fill up microhematocrit tube. And then we want to place a drop onto our slide about a centimeter away from the edge. And then we want to hold our other slide at about a 45-degree angle. We want to move it forward and then out really quickly. We want to wave it for it to dry just a bit. And then, there we go. So we want to make sure that it has its thicker area and then our feathered edge, and then we've got our middle section there, that's our monolayer. We also want to make sure that it's about at least 3/4 of the length of the slide and that it's wide enough. So we don't have a slide holder really except for these, so I'm gonna let it dry butt side down for now. We'll get to staining it in just a moment, and then we will do the same thing. We will do our handheld method. So let me get another spreader slide ready. So with our handheld method, we want frosted end and our thumb towards our body, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add a drop. We're gonna hold our spreader slide, just a bit of an angle. Wanna let it, okay. So we'll wave it dry, and then on camera. Okay, there we go. So again, we want to make sure we have the thicker layer, our feathered edge, and then that middle section is going to be our monolayer. That's where we're going to be doing the majority of our counting for our CBC. The feathered layer is also important because that's where we can see larger objects such as parasites and things of that nature. So we'll let that one dry, and we'll take our first slide. And we will we are dipping it into our clean dips, not our dirty ones that we use for other things like ear cytologies and skin cytologies. And we want to do each one for 10 1-second dips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was our fixative. And we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then lastly, we do our blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we want to very gently rinse the excess stain off. And then our resulting stain should look like that. So we'll put it back in our holder, butt side down, for it to dry a bit more, and then we can bring it over to our microscope to examine. And we'll do the same thing with our other slide. So again, we start with this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we do our red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then last, our blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then again, gently rinse. Do it with my other hand. Wave dry. And that's what it should look like. And then we'll put that into our slide holder, butt side down, and then we're ready to examine them for a CBC.